Hi there, cake lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out a new recipe. It's a vanilla recipe. I just wanted to try it out so that I see whether it works well or not. I'll write the full recipe down in the caption. Be sure to try it out individually in your own free time. So I was mixing the wet ingredients here, the eggs, oil, melted margarine, sugar, water, and also milk. All those are wet ingredients, so I ensure that I give the the mixture a nice mix so that all the ingredients are well incorporated before adding in the wet ingredients. Oops, there I made a little mess with the milk, but anyway, it's nothing that can be cleared with a serviette. So I was mixing, adding in the water, ensuring everything is well combined. Then added the vanilla essence. Then now I'll mix the flour in two batches so that it also makes my work easier. When mixing the flour here, you really need to have that muscle so that you can ensure there are no lumps in the cake batter as I'm doing there. Mix everything together, whisk everything, and ensure everything is well incorporated. Here I was listening to some music. Please enjoy. The song has been on repeat in my phone. So here I was greasing the tins, and after that, it's now time to put the cake batter in the baking tins. I was measuring the cake batter so that I can ensure it's all even. After placing the cake batter in the tins, then we'll put the batter in the oven for approximately 30 minutes and at 180 degrees Celsius. That's the temperature we're going to use. My assistant decided to come and check if everything was going on well. So they give the cake batter a little bit of a tap to release some air bubbles, and then into the oven they went for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, that is the result that we got. I'm so happy at this point because it shows that the recipe worked well, and it's a good recipe for a beginner. Anyone who is new to the baking industry, you can try this recipe out. See how moist the cake looks, and it was so delicious. So for this and more recipes, stay tuned to my channel. Look out for more. Subscribe. See you on the next one.